How to bid on StockX. Quick and easy. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can bid on an item on StockX. So the first thing you want to do, first of all, is you want to create an account. And if you have, this is what the page will look like. This is their homepage. Up on the right hand side, you have your toolbar. You have all the bits and pieces you can browse. You can check out news. You can check out the about of StockX. And then you have a help tab. You can also sell. And then you can see your favorites here, notifications, and right at the end you have your profile settings, so you can check out everything else here. What we're going to do is, if you tap on buying over here, then you will get to a page that looks like this. And this is basically where you will see all of your pending, your current, and your history of all your bids and all your purchases. But today I'm going to show you how you can actually make a bid on an item. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on any item right here from the front page. You can go to sneakers, shoes, apparel. You can also use this cool search bar to search for a product. You can also tap on browse over here. You can browse through these categories, and what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at some electronics. So let us have a look at this Sony PlayStation 5. Yes, that is a US plug-in digital edition. So let us go ahead and we're going to tap on this product right over here, and it'll open the product up, all the details. You can see if the product has any variation. You can check it right over here. So as you can see on the right hand side, it's got all your information, and on the left hand side you can see some images of the product itself. So there are only 2 images available here, but that's fine. If you are buying a PlayStation 5, you will already know a lot about it, so you don't need any additional information at this stage. Right now what we're looking for is a good price. So the current price is $444. As you can see here, the last unit was sold at $380, and that's pretty decent. You know, coming down from $444 to $380, that's quite a large amount. So what you can do here is you can actually view the bids. So once you tap on that, you can actually see all the bids that have been given, and you can now use this information to make a bid appropriately. So for example, it's selling at $444. You are not going to bid $200. You will not be able to purchase it for $200 unless the seller is absolutely crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap on this place bid. Now you have a sort of an idea of what the current bids are. So once you tap on place bid, you have the opportunity now to place your own bid, and then you will have to wait and see if the seller will actually accept your bid. So here are some pricing options over here. That's going for $423. That's a good bid. A better bid is $434, and then you can just purchase it straight. But that's not why we're here. So what we can do is we can edit this competitive price. We can name our price. So we're going to go in and we are wanting to purchase this for $399, and that's what we are doing. So the next thing you want to do is there is a bid expiration. We can now set that either from 1 day, 3 days, 7, 14, 30, or 60, and that basically means after this time period your bid will actually just expire. And the next thing you want to set here is if you do have a discount code, you can actually add it in here. So all you need to do is tap on the add over there, and you can enter in your discount code right over here, and then you can tap on apply, and basically your discount will be applied to the product after you have actually gone to your checkout. Also, you need to add a payment method, otherwise you will not be able to make a purchase at all. So that you can do this right over here. You can just tap on edit, and you'll be able to edit your payment method. Also, if there is no shipping information provided, you will not be able to receive your goods. So please enter your shipping information. All you have to do is tap on edit, make sure it's correct, and you can save that. Now you can see your subtotal. It is $438.90. This also includes processing fees, and then your final price will only be calculated at your checkout. And what you can do is you can tap on next, you'll get your checkout, and then it will be put into this page over here. And if you have gone through the entire process, you will see your current or your pending bids right over here. So yes, Currently, I don't have anything, and but you will see yours here, and you can see the status of it. So what's current, you will see here, and then if you see the pending, you can see what is actually the status of your bid, if it's been accepted, if it's been processed, if it's been verified, and so forth. There we go, guys. You can bid on absolutely anything on StockX if you want to. You can buy anything from electronics, sneakers, apparel, trading cards, collectibles, you name it, they got it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Happy bidding, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye.